Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one website you can claim your free Binance from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And first of all, I go to deposit, copy my Binance wallet address from here, and this is my Binance wallet address, and come in this website link available in description. Every 3 minutes you can claim between 150 and 250 Binance coin. And just I put my Binance wallet address and just click login. First of all, I solve this captures to easy. This is nurse, police, waiter, and driver. Then I solve the H capture. Okay, wait few seconds, and this is the bicycle. You click the bicycle available in this picture and just click verify, and that's it. Just click verify capture. Okay, and wait few seconds to verify it, and you can see this website sent me my Satoshi 248 Satoshi of Binance. This website sent me to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. You can click the link and come here, claim your Binance. Bye bye for now.